Okay, hello everyone. Today we are doing some numericals on page number 202 in your book itself. These are the questions from the electrical resistance itself. Okay, like current electricity se two questions I have picked up. Question number 1, let us understand the question first. Okay, what we have to do in this question. Here we are having a battery. This is the battery. From this battery we are getting 4 volt. Voltage kitni hai battery ki? It is 4 volt and current of 0.4 ampere is given by this battery. 0.4 ampere का current the battery is provided us. इस point पे आ रहे हैं. This is the junction of the current. यहाँ पे current I1 चला गया and नीचे current I2 चला गया. Okay, from this end, or we can say at this junction, what happened? Current get two path. यहाँ से two parts में current divide हो गया है. In this part, the current I1 is going. Resistance of this part of the circuit is how much? It is 20 ohms, and resistance of this part of the circuit is R ohms. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the value of R. And in the second part we have to calculate the total resistance and the current flowing in R. Means current in R means how much current is flowing in this resistance, that we have to find. Then we have to find the total resistance of the circuit, and then we have to find the value of R. Now coming to the total resistance means the internal resistance of this battery is 0. So no problem, we are having a simple formula. V equals to IR. V is given to us and the value of I is given to us. The total current is given to us. So the value of R will be how much? V upon I, we can say. So V is how much? It is 4 volt upon 0.4. Cancel it out. 4 1 ja 4, 4 10 ja 40. So that means total resistance is how much? It is 10 ohms. Total resistance will be how much? It is 10 ohms. Then coming to the B part, total resistance we have get it. Now I want to calculate the value of this R. इस R की value calculate करते हैं. This 20 and this R, they are in parallel. So we can say 1 upon Rp equals to 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon R. 1 upon Rp is how much? It is 10. So write 10 here equals to 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon R, we can say. And take the LCM. Your LCM is 20R and 1 plus how much? 1 plus R get cancelled. 1 plus 20. Sorry, R plus 20. So here it is 10, 0 gone with this 0, and R equals to this, 2R equals to R plus 20. So R equals to how much? 20 by 2. R equals to this. We can shift this. इसको shift कर दो R को. We have shifted this R. So R equals to how much? It is 20 ohms. The value of R will be how much? It is 20 ohms. So that means this resistance is of 20 ohms. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the value of current flowing in this part of the circuit. So total current is how much? It is 0.4. इतना current आ रहा है. At this point it is divided into two parts. So we simply, I can write here that 0.4 equals to I1 plus I2, because total current is how much? The total current is 0.4. So 0.4 equals to I1 plus I2, we can say. And if the value of I1, how I can calculate? What about the voltage? The voltage, it is in parallel, so the voltage is 6 volt again. Voltage is 6 volt again. So that means I1 or I equals to total resistance. Resistance we are having how much? It is 20 ohms. So simple formula V equals to IR. What you need? you need to calculate the value of I. So I will be V upon R. So V upon R means how much is the V? V is 6 volt, and what is the value of this? It is 20. So cancel it off. 2 3 ja and 2 10 ja. So it is 0.3. Okay, it is 0.3, and that means 0.3 volt ampere current is flowing through this resistance. Okay, because we are finding this ना, यही हम लोग find out कर रहे थे. So it is 0.3 ohms. The answer is coming wrong. It means we have made a mistake somewhere. It is 0.4. Yes, 0.4. The resistance, it is 20. So we are using V equals to IR. So the value of yes. So voltage is how much? Voltage is 6. Voltage is 6 volt. Voltage is not 6. It is 4 volt. No, it is 4 volt. So what is the mistake we have done? It is not 6 volt. It is 4 volt. So 4 upon how much total resistance is 20. So cancel it off. 4 1 ja 4. 4 5 ja 20. So 1 upon 10 means 0.2. So that means 0.2 from here and 0.2 from here. So that means current of 0.2 ampere is flowing in the circuit. Now coming to question number 2. In question number 2, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the value of I. I की value find out करनी है, and the potential of the battery is how much? It is 2 volt. So let us find out the equivalent resistance first. Equivalent resistance will be, say it is 1 upon R. It is question number 2. So equivalent resistance will be 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 1. 1 upon R equals to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 1 we can say. So the LCM is 2. So 1 plus 2 equals to 3 by 2. So R equals to how much? 2 by 3 ohms. So this is the equivalent resistance. And what about the voltage? The voltage is 2 volt. The basic formula V equals to IR. What we want? We want the value of I. So I equals to V upon R. So the value of V is how much? It is 2 volt. The value of R is how much? It is 2 by 3. It is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3, solve it. 2 by 2 into 3, cancel it. So the I will be 3 ampere. So 3 ampere current is flowing. Okay, 3 ampere current is, total current is 3 ampere. So that means we are getting 3 ampere of current. That means this battery is giving us 3 ampere of current. Now if I want to find out the value of current in each resistance, दोनों में निकालना पड़ेगा. So total is 3 ampere. Total current is 3 ampere. So we can find out, दोनों का भी निकाल सकते हैं. So we know that voltage is 2 volt. So it means current in 1 ohm resistance, it is 2 V. I equals to, again the same formula, I equals to V upon R. V is how much? 2, and R is how much? 1. So I can say 2 ampere. And if I talk about the second one, so again I equals to, it is 2 upon 2. So it is 1 ampere. So this is your answers. So in the same way you can continue with other questions on the same page, page number 202. बहुत सारे questions हैं बेटा उसमें, you can continue with them. So for today only this much. Thank you very much.